Do you wish you could make six figures without leaving your house? If you're interested in making $1,300 each day by just copying and pasting articles on a revolutionary new website, then you've come to the right place. Welcome back to Cash Collect. Because of this method that we are going to teach you, you won't have to put up with a dull 9 to 5 or an unpleasant employer or co-workers any longer. Start your own business and set your own hours with this straightforward procedure. Okay, let's jump right in. The first thing to do is to enroll in the Landingi Affiliate Program. I'm writing to tell you about the Landingi Affiliate Program, an excellent way to supplement your income. You can count on me when I say this will forever alter the landscape of affiliate commissions. So fire up your laptop, I suggest Chrome, and let's embark on this path to financial freedom together. The first part is simple. Launch Chrome and enter Landingi Affiliate Program into the address bar. To visit the official website, type the name into a search engine and look for it in the list of results. If you want to learn more about Landingi, click on the link. Take a few moments to enjoy the Landingi website's streamlined design and intuitive navigation. They've hit the nail on the head with their highly effective yet intuitive landing page creator. I promised you, you don't have to be a tech whiz to figure things out. Landingi's primary goal is to save you time and effort while assisting you in developing attractive landing pages with skyrocketing conversion rates. Let's move on to the meat of the issue and talk about the affiliate program. Landingi appreciates the worth of partnerships and offers a fantastic commission structure as a result. The commission rate for affiliates is a whopping 25%. Put that into consideration for a second. You earn a handsome fee whenever one of your referrals joins Landingi and pays for a plan. You can sit back and enjoy the steady flow of money as if you had a passive income source. In addition, Landingi is focused on establishing lasting bonds with its partners. So, after you've referred a customer, you'll keep getting paid, even if they continue to use your service. It's a situation in which everyone benefits. The second step is to enroll in the Landingi Affiliate Program. You may join the affiliate program by visiting the Landingi website and clicking the blue Join the Affiliate Program button there. You can't possibly miss it, so go ahead and tap that link. The Join Now button is located on the next page you'll be taken to. If you select it, a form will load up for you to fill out. Simple questions about who you are and how you intend to spread the word about Landingi are all that are required to fill out the form. After giving your personal information, simply click the Submit Application button. Become a Landingi affiliate after submitting your application. Third, spread the word about Landingi. Now that you've joined the team, it's time to start earning money by spreading the word about Landingi. One of the advantages of working with Landingi is that they supply you with promotional materials that have already been created. To get started marketing Landingi, go to the resources section of the Partner Stack platform. Landingi has you covered from banner ads to email newsletter layouts. Not only that though, Landingi appreciates the value of its partnerships and assigns a dedicated affiliate program coordinator to each affiliate. This individual will serve as your primary point of contact throughout the program and provide invaluable assistance as you expand your business. They will provide you with advice on how to increase your profits and verify that you are headed in the right direction. Calculating your prospective earnings from the Landingi affiliate program is the next step. Let's pretend that 2% of the 5,000 visitors who visit your affiliate page wind up purchasing a Landingi package. 100 individuals. If 100 people sign up for Landingi and everyone pays $100 per month, that's $10,000 in monthly revenue. It's a recurring affiliate program, so you'll get paid for as long as the referred customer keeps using Landingi. If you can recommend 100 people every month, that's a potential $120,000 in annual income. That's not too bad, right? Fourth, share links to Landingi on Reddit. Let me teach you how to use Reddit to spread the word about Landingi. It's a huge online group where people with common interests can talk to one another and get answers to their questions. Reddit's massive user base makes it a great place to spread the word about your affiliate link to lots of people. How do you get the word out about your Reddit affiliate link? The first step, then, is to navigate to the appropriate subreddits. Subreddits are niche communities inside Reddit that discuss a certain topic in depth. If you're trying to spread the word about Landingi, you might start by browsing subreddits dedicated to marketing, entrepreneurship, and e-commerce. Let's go ahead and use Reddit's search function to locate some relevant discussions and inquiries about landing page builders. Simply enter a question such as which landing page builder is the best to get a list of relevant results. Here's your chance to demonstrate your skills while simultaneously advertising your affiliate link. Feeling a little daunted by the prospect of sifting through Reddit threads and inquiries about landing page builders? There's a way out of this predicament that will make your life much simpler. Using a chatbot like ChatGPT is one solution. It's quite cool that chatbots can use AI to interpret user queries and supply relevant responses. If you have a question about landing page builders, all you have to do is type it into ChatGPT and you'll get a rapid answer that's catered to your needs. Promoting your affiliate link on Reddit might take a lot of time and energy, but with ChatGPT by your side, you can save a ton of both. Simply type in your question and let ChatGPT do the legwork for you instead of spending hours poring over posts and formulating the ideal response. If you're new to Reddit or just don't know where to begin when it comes to promoting your affiliate link, this can be a great resource for you. Being authentic and helpful is essential when responding to queries on Reddit. Don't go about posting your affiliate link everywhere. Instead, you should concentrate on responding to queries with useful and valuable information. And if you can provide further data that aids the individual in making a calculated choice, that's even better. There may be situations where it is appropriate to provide a response that includes your affiliate link. You can confidently promote Landingi and provide your affiliate link. If, for instance, someone is looking for a recommendation for a landing page builder. As a result, there is a better possibility that they will follow your link, check out Landingi, and ultimately make a purchase. Keep in mind that your answers on Reddit could be seen by thousands of people, and use this to your advantage when marketing your affiliate link. If the individual who asked the inquiry doesn't click on your link, it's still important to focus on delivering genuine value and assistance. In any case, you can never tell who else will come across your remark and appreciate your thoughts. In addition, you should position yourself as an authority in your industry while writing your reply. Rather than merely spamming your affiliate link, take the effort to provide genuine, helpful responses. Doing so can earn you the trust of your readers, which in turn increases the possibility that they will follow your link and buy anything from you. Think about the future of your company rather than just how to make a quick buck today. Provide helpful insight, suggestions, and information in your replies. Doing so will help you gain credibility as an industry expert and ultimately bring in more business. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by merely selling books online. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.